Whether it's the tranquil forests or the magnificent mountains and rivers, nature never fails to invoke a profound sense of awe. It provides people with a deep connection that allows them to find inner peace and balance amidst the hustle and bustle of life. Wandering through the forest, one hears only the gentle rustling of leaves and the soft whispers of birds. Sunlight filters through the treetops, casting depth shadows on the ground, enveloping the entire forest in an aura of mystery. The air is filled with the fresh fragrance of soil and trees, as if nature itself is bestowing a fragrant kiss. Standing at the summit of the mountain, one gazes into the distance at the winding mountain ranges, resembling the undulating paths of a colossal dragon. Between the peaks, clouds, and the mist swirl, where verdant trees adorn the mountain sides, showcasing the grandeur and magnificence of nature. The mountain wind howls, allowing one to feel the raw power of nature.